Hello viewers, let's activate dark mode in window as well as for apps on 100% merit. So now click on window sign and then go to settings, and in setting go to personalization, and in personalization this interface appears, so click colors, and when it opens so we will directly go to choose your mode, and remember, don't select dark mode but select custom. Now when you select custom, so choose your default window mode and open it, select dark. Now for window dark mode is active, but for apps it's yet awaited. Now let me show you the app. So in case if you see it, so multiple colors are visible and many times odd colors are also there. Go again, choose your default app mode, open the box and choose dark. Now for app as well as for window, both the colors are dark. Let me open another app and it's in front of you. It's 100% dark. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.